Hi everyone, welcome to ABC channel. Let's learn the ABC of the world. In 2012, the world was abuzz with talk of the end of days, as December 21st was predicted to bring about the apocalypse. This prophecy was so pervasive, that it even spawned a number of albums and literature. But where did this prediction come from? The answer lies in the ancient Mayan civilization. The Mayans were known for their intricate calendar systems and their prophecies of the future. These prophecies revolved around the end of the world, the demise of mankind and the rise of a new world. But, the Mayans didn't see this as a negative thing. They believed in a cyclical pattern of worlds and saw the end of one world as the beginning of another. The Mayan prophecy serves as a reminder for us to take responsibility for our actions, respect nature and protect the environment. Cherish our cultural heritage and pass it on to future generations. So, while the prophecy of 2012 may have been deemed as scaremongering, the true meaning behind it is a call to action for us to be better stewards of our planet and our heritage. The origins of Mayan prophecy can be traced back to two key sources: religious belief and historical traditional culture. The Mayans believed in a cyclical pattern of worlds, and this belief was deeply ingrained in their religious practices. They also had a deep understanding of the natural world, gained through centuries of observation and study. This knowledge formed the basis for many of their prophecies, which often involved predictions about weather, climate and the environment. The Mayan calendar played a crucial role in their prophecy. It was a complex system of timekeeping that combined astronomical observations with religious beliefs and cultural traditions. This calendar system was so sophisticated that it is still used today. It was based on a local calendar system dating back to at least the 6th century BC and shares similarities with the calendars of other Mesoamerican civilizations. The Mayans believed that the months had 20 days and the year had 18 months plus 5 days of a death, a total of 365 days. Which is consistent with modern understanding of the time of the Earth's rotation. Mayan prophecy was based on predicting the future by using important dates and times in the Mayan calendar system. These predictions were mainly focused on the coincidence points of astronomical cycles. Mayan prophecies not only predicted the future but also included predictions of the past and present. The Mayan calendar and prophecy were two interrelated parts of the Mayan civilization. And the Mayan calendar was the foundation for the Mayan prophecy to predict future events. So, the Mayan calendar and prophecy are not just a way of counting time but also a powerful tool to predict the future and a window to the rich culture and history of the Mayan civilization. The Mayan civilization is known for its mysterious prophecies, and many people still believe in them today. Let's dive into some of the most intriguing predictions they made. First, the end of the world. The Mayans believed that a time would come when the Earth would be plunged into chaos and destruction. They predicted a series of catastrophic events as harbingers of the end, and according to their records, all of this would happen in the 5th solar period. The Mayans believed that the sun would disappear and the Earth would undergo significant changes, leading to the end of the world. According to the Mayan calendar, the 5th solar period began in 3113 AD, and ended 5,125 years later, which translates to a modern date of around the 22nd of December 2012. However, it's worth noting that Mayan elder Picton clarified that the source of this doomsday theory was not the Maya, but the West. The Mayans were simply describing the end of a cycle and the beginning of a new era. The second prophecy made by the Mayans is about their own civilization's demise. They predicted that their civilization would come to an end in an apocalypse or cataclysm, as seen in the leopard prophecy. However, it's important to note that the Mayan civilization did not fall solely because of these predictions, but due to a combination of factors such as climate change, land degradation, internal social conflict, and foreign invasion. The Mayan prophecy is more of a symbolic prophecy of the Mayan civilization's demise. The Mayans wrote a book of prophecy, which contains predictions and symbolic descriptions of the future. Some of the predictions involve changes in human societies, natural disasters, and historical events. There are also prophecies about the end times and posterity. However, It's hard to determine which predictions have come true due to the controversy over their interpretation and translation. Nevertheless, the Mayan prophecies continue to capture our imagination and spark curiosity about what the future holds. The third prophecy of the Mayans delves into the future of mankind and the fate of humanity. The Book of Prophecies, Les Prophéties, covers a wide range of topics, from social changes and natural disasters to historical events. The prophecy also describes significant religious and cultural events, such as the end of the world and the coming of a savior. This book is divided into 20 sections, each one describing a different period. Les Prophéties is a book of prophecy written by Nostradamus that contains nearly 1,000 quatrains of prophecy. The author uses a wide range of words and descriptions to express the prophecy, making it open to various interpretations. This has allowed people of different eras to find major events of their time in these ambiguous verses. These events include the invention of the aeroplane, the advent of the automobile, the rise of Hitler, the outbreak of World War II, the Allied invasion of Normandy, the defeat of Germany, the death of Mussolini, the bombing of the atomic bomb in Japan, the surrender of Japan, the assassination of the US President John F. Kennedy, the landing of a female astronaut in space, the Soviet invasion of the Czech Republic, the outbreak of the Middle East War, global pollution and greenhouse effects, the explosion of the Challenger, the death of Princess Diana, and more. Les Prophéties is a powerful and timeless book of prophecy, full of mysterious and intriguing predictions that continue to capture our imagination and spark our curiosity about the future of mankind. The Mayan prophecies have captivated the minds of many for centuries, leaving us to ponder the possibilities of the future and the secrets of the past. These ancient predictions have sparked curiosity and intrigue, making us wonder if they truly hold the power to predict the future, or if they are simply a coincidence. Some interpret them as symbolic descriptions of Mayan social and cultural changes. Regardless, the Mayan prophecies offer a glimpse into the future and a reminder of our impact on the world. They urge us to take responsibility for our actions and consider the consequences of our choices. Beyond their potential predictive power, the Mayan prophecies also raise thought-provoking questions about history, culture, and religion. They prompt us to reflect on the evolution of our civilization and where it may be headed in the future. The Mayan prophecies are not just a collection of predictions, but also a window into the rich culture and history of the Mayan civilization, and a way to think about the future, and the impact of human actions on the world. So that's all for this video. For more intriguing news and updates, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.